To show you some unboxing, some installation, and really go over the remote control because the features in the remote control and things you can do with it are pretty cool. On the remote, we have the power on and off button. Then here, if it does have a light, which ours does not, that would control it so it doesn't work. Here you have your fan speed control and turning the fan on and off. This is a neat function. You don't have to climb up there and change it. This is the forward and the reverse on the fan direction. So great for winter or summer. And here we have a natural wind setting. And then you also have timer options. You can set it for 1, 2, or 4 hours. In addition, it has a holder that you can mount to the wall to always keep your remote in a handy spot. Very thorough assembly and installation instruction manual with access to a video that shows step-by-step how to install. I will say if you're not an electrician, you may want to get one to come in and help you on this install. This 60-inch ceiling fan is perfect for the large space of the shop. It is an outdoor or indoor ceiling fan, so it should do well in the different humidity levels in here. And being a new build, this has the wire that you see going across the top that you normally wouldn't have to mess with if you were just replacing a ceiling fan in your home or putting one in your home. I might also suggest that this is a two-person job, as the motor is a very quality motor. It's very quiet, but it's also a little bit heavy and hard to hook up the wires while you are holding the motor. Now the blades are reversible, so if you prefer a lighter color, that is an option. Just switch them over very easily. Also, there is a down rod if you want it to hang down a little further. We've got it wired up, and now it's time to see it in action. Okay. There's speed 1. Speed 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you can set a timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and you can do natural wind. That's the natural wind setting, which I think varies, and that's it.